explain myself. You said you care for me, said you be there for me, cry.
Murder on the beat.
Hello everyone, it's Herlina, and today I will be doing a makeup tutorial. This is just a simple get ready with me. I'm not really doing anything special. I'm kind of in a rush today, so I wasn't able to go out loud and do anything like outrageous. However, this is a nice simple look for the summertime. It only took me about 30 minutes to do. By the way, if the setting is a little orange, I'm sorry. I kind of did something different with my camera settings. Looking at the monitor, it kind of seems a little orange, so sorry if that bothers you. Anyways, enough talking, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. To start off, I'm going to use one of my eyeshadow bases from NYX. I'm going to be using their white eyeshadow base instead of their nude eyeshadow base. This is actually my first time using this. I just hope that it'll make the color pop more than it would if I used a nude shade. I definitely should have used a clean brush when doing this because now it has some brown stuff all up in it. But it's okay because, I mean, it's still a good eyeshadow base, so I'll be fine. Now I'm gonna dip into my Subculture palette and I'm gonna be using the color Edge. It's this yellow, bright yellow color right here. The color isn't coming off as pigmented as I want it to, so I'm gonna have to keep packing on the color as much as I can. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and go into my Born to Run palette by Urban Decay, and I'm going to be using the color Still Shot. Next I'm going to be using the color Baja. It's this bright orange color right here. Now I'm going in with the color Stranded and I'm putting that on my brow bone. Then I am taking the color Blaze and I'm putting that on my tail duct. Now I'm taking the color Punk and I'm putting that on my waterline. Okay, so I thought the camera was recording and it wasn't. And I already got started on my wing liner. My bad, but I'm using my Fly Liner by Fenty. I definitely just messed up my eyeliner, but whatever. Okay, right now I'm gonna go ahead and put on these Kiss lashes, and they are number 11. You know what? I find it better when I use my tweezers to put on my lashes. I'm so used to just using my hands, like my actual fingers, to put it on. I figure out when I use tweezers, it's definitely easier for me to see like what part of the lash needs to be attached, and my hand isn't like blocking in the way. So yeah, definitely happy I started using tweezers. Okay, now that I've gotten that done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. Right now I'm using Chestnut by MAC, and then I'm gonna go in with a lip gloss, and I think it's called Bow. Yeah, Bow. And that is the end of this look. I'll be right back, and I guess I'll show you the final look. So that is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with all of your friends. Feel free to check out any of my other videos. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Actually, that reminded me, there is a possibility that I might not be uploading next Wednesday. Well, not next Wednesday. When will this be uploaded? Okay, this video is going to be uploaded Monday, so this Wednesday I probably won't be uploading because I'm going on vacation. But it's a possibility. If I decide to film tomorrow, which I probably won't, then I might give you guys a video on Wednesday. But it is more likely that I won't be uploading on Wednesday. So with that being said, feel free to check out any of my other videos. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.